Them just arrest 3 suspected ritualists. This one they happen inside Port Harcourt. Now, wow, in fact, the way people they very desperate now to make money, I don't even understand. And then these guys and this they did within the age range of 20 to 25. I beg waiting on they find. Which kind of money now one make so take on no feel wait hustle on a normal like this hustle. Now to go they do plumbing, carry calabash for her, be na mami water. They carry and put for her, say they go do. In fact, but as they catch and they see human parts inside this calabash and other things. People beg, make na follow me.
Carry this guy until he come another
Open good. Open good here. Open good.
Some people, instead of you to work, you don't go work. Now go work, now you go. Oh, go work, now they work again. All this kind, you know, they work, you don't cast. Now, if you don't even do like this work, forget them. Now, broken, in fact, Brooklyn will kill you for there. You go broke, so that you go even die. But I just say that these guys, they don't even reason. But I bet which Babala will go send you, say, go daytime, go do ritual. Why not be say, on a carry juju put for body, on a no say they go see on. Daytime, on a go carry na juju put for head. Why not be say na be ogbanje, on a no say definitely, person go, if na they pass. No, person go see on na. On a go carry and say, na they pass, like say, nobody go see on. Now they don't come see on, and I can't do pity face, stand there. Like what I know, a gamma lizard. Say, maybe we pity on. Nobody go pity because now innocent souls now don't go keep they put inside this calabash. As now those are they desperate. What I know is now mama, they do the blood money. Now I go carry people who say they don't even know anything. But if you just they go on our own, just now go kill the person. How can I say I won't make this money? I don't know the way they lead people into bad things now. It surprise me. Person go there, you don't get money. At least if na people that won't go hospital, but they don't go think on their own how they go take drive car, buy beds, they form lavish lifestyle. Live that now they go just the reason. But in fact, I like as they arrest this person. I like as they catch them, but I hope say they don't go do jungle justice on top of them. Because some people don't gather now on a no river people, all these Port Harcourt people, their blood no they calm down. They figure that now begin beat them, big kill them. May they just hand them, carry be na EFCC or be na police, may they carry them, go give them. The necessary thing they're supposed to be the guiding. And me, I was surprised. Because if you do cast mostly, either the person go mad or something go happen. But then this one, they still stand there, nothing they do there. It means that the juju self now fake. The person just won't even play with their head. But thank God say they arrest them this one. Whoever they don't go keep, may they even do the investigation, may they bring out everything. Because this kind of way, you know good. Young boys like this, not just one day in a hustle. Now one day in also to make money. In fact, what's in I see, now I get so. Remember, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come, make everything I hear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this one matter, what I just hear now. Make don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. 3 Nigerian migrants, so they just jumped from 10-story building, say that they escaped fire. This one they happen inside France for where they call Marseille. We got to say this fire break out around 5 a.m. early momo. Now this thing happened for this housing estate. What they call them? Les Flamands. You hear name Les Flamands. You never hear the flag. When we say fly means say fire, you know here. You can't decide say now this kind of place now you won't go live. But see, we gotta say this place now there so many Nigerians they live. Now because they live there, they squat for inside this kind of place. Now here there is people they live before they go see. Now there fire circulate inside the building, start to the bomb places. And as it be, some people don't even die. Some people say fire don't even burn them. My people beg, make now follow me see.
See people when you die, and they carry soup. See beauty when fire enter. Yes. All of them people when jump from up die. Many people die. Many Nigerians die.
What I want to ask now, what really caused the problem?
We don't know. As at let me just say later or yesterday, as at 2 o'clock,
My brother woke me up. He said there's a problem. I should come and listen. I said, what? What I was hearing, noise. Then Arabu, the next day I said, okay, you hold this knife, let me hold this knife. We opened the door, there's no noise again. I said, we cannot descend down. Let's go back inside. Because maybe all these people, they may just hide in one place.
Yeah, they wait.
He said, bro, all these people, I believe they will come back. I said, no, don't worry, they cannot bust this my door. If they want to come, they cannot bust my door. Let's just relax. The same man, that same my brother is the one that woke me up this morning again.
We don't die, so.
No.
Okay.
So that is all I know. So we all are confused. We don't know what to do. Because the way they take us in this country, most especially this Marseille, I don't know what is happening.
Rest in peace to these people, but I can't surprise. Ordinary 2-story building, they fear me. Now, a person can't decide he won't go drop from 10-story building. Hey, now wow, but I'm sure saying out of panic, maybe person don't reason and say, how you want to escape? No place again for him to pass. Now, make a come and say, okay, the only place where you go fit pass now to jump this kind of story building. But as we got there, they say this story building, they don't abandon them. So all these people, they live there. Nobody say they pay for house rent. They don't say they. I can't they want. I bet go to there for their abroad. People go they go say they travel go abroad. They don't travel go France. I bet now the France when they go, now the abroad when they go this. When they say now inside uncompleted building, now they go live. Or now go there their house now they pay illegal things. Now they do illegal things. Because the police for that side talk say in fact if they find any notorious drug dealer, where be Nigerian come to that place. Come to them Marseille. In fact, this less Flamento, I mean, what they call it. If you enter that compound, that building, you go see things. You know, go even climb the place. If fear go down, they catch you because the kind drawing where they don't draw for. Now they watch all this on in both maybe say this place go be like terrorist zone. Now so this kind of place be. And say that that place, now there Nigerians they dominate. Now there Nigerians dominate. I want the one that beg, Marseille police, France police. On they fear them this Nigerians are be waiting they happen. Why be saying I don't feel go there go boss them these people. Because on top of this whole thing, I get one woman herself still come out and talk say she don't live there for so many years and say she they pay for house rent to one drug lord. So if you don't even pay self na wahala. And say this attack will happen, they gather say na person na do this fire on purpose. It be like say person won't bomb person, every person won't keep person and they can't do this thing. Forget to say if you throw this fire, the thing will spread. Person where you won't keep, maybe you never sleep for inside that building that day. Now innocent people waiting for them, and then they will come die. Some people I know they know the kind of reason where they reason. You go the reason say you won't keep person, but you know go even reason say make a target the person I won't keep. You go the target to kill everybody. But to me, in fact, abroad don't come off my eye. It means say this abroad na packaging. See people where they abroad. In fact, their English no even be like person where they abroad. They still they speak broken like say they inside world. The English now the English even strong. I bet what they do. If na no say na they suffer. Because now talking police come, police no even see anything. Because me I dey expect I go see like firefighters and all those kind of people. But as you got na police come. But I sure say police as they see on a strong face, na they fear. They come reason and say nothing they go fit do. But I beg how in Nigeria you go decide say that this kind of place you won't go. Go set to born your own pikin. Kuku come back house or come back Nigeria because it be like say Nigeria even dey safe. Things dey okay. Because if now go see person where they say are they for abroad, they live large. And they see the kind of work they do. It means that they don't do any legit work. Now 419, thief work, drug, weed and things work now you do for them. Instead they don't open their national, we don't see them. Marseille people. Now go say your family go there, they go there happy say your family don't travel. In fact, people sabi take risk. Our Nigerian brother sabi take risk. Or in the name of saying I won't travel, now we'll go this place. Now these people don't die now. What do you want to tell their family? They don't even at least the fire they burn. Look for another escape route or stand for the window. Which one can be one fly? When you say be Spider-Man or be Batman, you come reason and say you need to go feed you not to fly. Anyways, rest in peace. You don't die. Not what I feel to. But I even pity the people who are born because you gotta say one small 2 years old became born for the thing. How she won't take group? How people when they see her? This one now you go come turn to her face go don't turn to scar. Person go see her now begin run. But people beg make we dey careful. People when they travel up and down. Hope say na they using her ear. Here, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come. Make na say using her ear. Here we see they happen. Anything I just talk now. If na get anything to talk about, make na write am inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.